Students of class 5A and 5B, you are welcome to this GK class. Today I am going to teach you the last two lessons as per the syllabus of the upcoming exam. The last two lessons, Unit 9, Natural Disasters, Pollution. Then your teaching for the upcoming exam, as per the syllabus of the upcoming exam, will be over. Then the revision process will be started very soon. Now, first point, consequence of natural disaster or natural hazard. Name them, important natural disasters, and take the correct options. First point, now I am going to discuss. The first and foremost point of this lesson is how are natural disasters taken place. The natural disasters are taken place because it is the consequence of natural hazard which has a negative effect on human beings. Though, some of the natural disasters are geological, many of them are due to the changes in the climatic conditions. And some of the natural hazards that have caused natural disasters and landslides, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, and so on. So here you open at page number 65 and see some pictures are there depicted in your books. Pictures of different natural disasters. Now picture type question I will not set up to be sure. But I can ask you question like this way. Mention some natural disasters. Which natural disasters are very, very forceful and leaves some vivid impression, leaves very bad impact in the atmosphere. Mention it. In that case, a number of natural disasters name you have to write. For example, how many natural disasters are there? This type of question may come. So you have to write simply the number of natural disasters like earthquake, like landslide, like flood, like drought, tsunami, cyclone, volcanic eruption, tornado, and so on. So these much you write. No problem, but I will mention how many numbers. Suppose mention two natural disasters. Mention any two natural disasters. Mention any one natural disaster. Mention any four natural disasters, like five natural disasters, like this. So in that case, as per the numbers mentioned in the question, you have to write the number of natural disasters. So from the very, very beginning, you learn it. How many natural disasters, hazards are there which generally affect our environment, affect human life, and destroys properties. Now, next lesson that is very important, that is pollution. Pollution, here, you open at page 66. Here there will be a question. There will be a question, but one blank also will be there. You have to fill in the blank with appropriate answer. For example, the study of interaction in the environment is called as. What you will write? The study of interactions in the environment is called as. There will be three options. Okay. Number one, ecology. Number two, eschatology. Number three, entomology. The correct option. Now you have to choose the correct option. Which is the correct option? The correct option is ecology. So you choose ecology. And next one, the main source of carbon monoxide pollution is. The main source of carbon monoxide pollution is dash. Then you have to fill in with appropriate answer. Now what should be the answer here? Options. How many options are there? I am telling you. Coal mining, internal combustion engines, and acid rain. Here there are three options. Out of three options, you have to choose the correct option. So what should be the correct option? Internal combustion engines. It is the main source of carbon monoxide pollution in the nature. So the main source of carbon monoxide pollution is dash, that is internal combustion engines. The next question, which of the following is not one of the criteria pollutants for which the EPA has set air quality standards? Clear? Which of the following is not one of the criteria pollutants for which the EPA has set air quality standards? Options are chlorine, lead, sulfur dioxide. How many options are there? 3 options. Now what are the options? Chlorine, lead, sulfur dioxide. The correct option is chlorine. Okay. Which of the following is not one of the criteria pollutants for which the EPA has set air quality standards? The correct option is chlorine. The next one, exposure to high concentrations of which of the following substances can cause kidney and brain damage? Exposure to which concentrations of which of the high concentrations of which of the following substances can cause kidney and brain damage? Now options are lead, sulfur dioxide, asbestos. Lead, sulfur dioxide, asbestos. The correct option is lead, L-E-A-D, lead. And next point, which of the following groups is the least sensitive to air pollution? Which of the following groups is the least sensitive to air pollution? Least sensitive to air pollution. Options are older adults, healthy young adults, children. Older adults, healthy young adults, and children. Question is, which of the following groups is the least sensitive to air pollution? The correct option is healthy young adults. Okay, healthy young adults. This group is the least sensitive to air pollution. Next one, which of the following adverse health effects is not linked to pesticide use? Which of the following adverse health effects is not linked to pesticide use? Options are cancer, number 2, lead poisoning, number 3, birth defects. The correct option is lead poisoning. And next one, which of the following is not categorized as hazardous waste? Which of the following is not categorized as hazardous waste? Options are motor oil, flammable material, corrosive material. Motor oil, flammable material, corrosive material. The correct option is motor oil. And next one, recycling. Recycling is a popular method for controlling death. Recycling is a popular method for controlling. Options are air pollution, radiation exposure, and number 3, solid waste pollution. Solid waste pollution. The correct option is solid waste pollution. Recycling is a popular method for controlling solid waste pollution. And next one, serial number 9, which of the following is an effective method to control solid waste? Which of the following is an effective method to control solid waste? That is landfills, incineration, both. The correct option is both. And next one, both means landfills and incineration. Both of these two options are applicable to this question. Which of the following is an effective method to control solid waste, that is incineration and landfills. And next one, all of the following are potential health effects associated with noise pollution except dash. All of the following are potential health effects associated with noise pollution except dash. Low blood pressure, option number 1, low blood pressure. 2, increased anxiety. 3, headaches. Now, correct option is low blood pressure. Low blood pressure. All of the following are potential health effects associated with noise pollution except low blood pressure. Noise pollution. Increased anxiety. Noise pollution increases anxiety. Noise pollution increases headaches. But noise pollution does not increase low blood pressure. So this one is the correct option. My dear students, simply you have to learn all these things. And the teaching as per the syllabus of final exam is over. Now, very soon, I am going to start revision work. Clear? Before that, all of you go through all the lessons and give importance to the last lessons. And also, you have to give equal importance to each and every lesson, because from each and every lesson, question will come. So you have to write correct answer, because previous lessons and its answers, I have been asking you, and you have been giving me correct answers. While conducting live classes, you are able to answer prominently. Now this time, students, those who are unable to learn it properly, I would like to request them, please go through the previous lessons, including the current lessons also, and go through the whole book and learn properly. Allow other one in your family to ask you questions, so that you can answer and you can learn as early as possible and keep it in your mind properly. Thank you. Thank you so much for this class, and I do expect you will be able to join the next class with full inspiration, enjoyment. I do expect you have enjoyed the class. You will be able to enjoy this class, and if you have any problem, you let me know during live class. I will make your doubts clear. Up to this, thank you.